Today we're checking out the Raxiom OEM Style Headlights with black housings and clear lenses for the 2007 to 2013 Tundra without the level adjuster. If you want a clean and updated look for a darker and more modern housing while keeping that bright and clear lens and an OE style shape, this is a great front end refresh that's definitely worth checking out. These headlights are going to keep the factory inspired overall shape and style so that the fit and the style stay true to the Tundra. But the black housing is going to add a little bit more aggressive and updated appearance along the way. It's an easy way to modernize the truck without going for an overly custom or flashy design. They're a solid match for owners pairing with other black trim pieces or wanting to tighten up the look of an older front end. Day to day, this is a simple but high visual impact upgrade that makes the truck look cleaner and more current. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting very durable housings with clear and impact resistant lenses that are designed for daily driving abuse. These housings are built to mount into those factory locations perfectly for a simple install, and if you stick with me, we'll show you that install just here in a minute. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right in that $200 price range. For a full set of vehicle-specific headlights that deliver that OEM style fit with a modern blacked out look, this is a very strong value in my opinion. You're gonna get a big appearance change without paying premium money for those high-end projector conversions. Now, when it comes to the install on this one, it's gonna get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you should be able to have this job done in 2 hours or a lot less if everything goes smooth. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our ExtremeTerrain customers.
These are all the tools you need for the job. Have a pry bar, if you have a trim tool, that will work great. And then just a 10mm socket. Here today to replace the original stock, very fogged up, not working correctly headlights on my 2010 Toyota Tundra Crew Max with some brand new headlights from ExtremeTerrain. Step 1 here, I need to remove this piece of trim away from the truck so that I can access all the bolts to remove the headlight. I'm just using a small pry bar. This is actually already somewhat popped out. Just continue to push out these clips here. On this other side, should just push away. You'll watch your paint here. Push away from the truck. And then 2 long clips that pull out. That's step 1. And I can access the bolt down here. This bolt here is a 10mm. We're just going to break that free and loosen that up. Should be able to come right out. Step 2, there's actually 2 more bolts right here at the top, but on my truck they've been broken off for quite some time, so I should be able to lift them off these clips here, slowly work my headlight out, and then the next step is to remove all of your bolts, which will just twist out. Release to twist out. It's giving me some fits. Screws out here. There we go. That was something. All right. Going to remove all of these white sticker coverings off my bolts box here. Might need to remove a glove for that. Okay, so now I can go back, start taking bulbs and fitting them back in here. Two down. Three down. 4 down. Nope. Pull this off. It's out here. Looking awesome. awesome. Looking great. Got that clip back in there. Can take my 10mm. Move that around. All right, looking good. Bring these trim pieces back in. Just slide, push, put these back in. Look at that. Looking great. All right, that is the left side. Nice and complete. The driver's side of the truck, I feel a lot more confident. After that last one, I had a bit of a difficult time getting the level adjuster out, but once I figured that out, it all went pretty quick. So here we are going to repeat the same thing on this side. First thing I'm gonna do is focus on this trim piece down below. So using my pry bar, just being real easy in here to not break those clips. Then pop the one side out and then just pull, try to push this piece away from the truck. Work it out. There we go. Moved trim piece. Next thing to do, use your 10mm socket. And I had actually hit a big bird on the road, which is causing this repair. So pull out some feathers here. Remove spur socket on down low. Get her loosened up. And two up top. This side I have these crazy. Alrighty, how's this? Loosen all of these up. Step them to the side to reuse. Great. Last one coming out. Next thing to do, pop this light back in with that pry bar. All right. Those pop down, slide out of here. All right, now we're just gonna pop some bolts out. Three, four. This level adjuster. Twist up here, threads in. All right. That's out of there. Set that off to the side. Come back in. This great new light. Bring that new one in here. Pull these covers off. Okay, great. Peel this off here. Come back in. Nice and easy. Line these clips up. Looking great. Okay. Come back in. One. Bolt two. One thing to note on these, there's a coarse thread and a thin. That thin goes down low. I messed that up. Now, we take our chin piece, hook back in, push these in first, come back over here to these push clips, just push it all back in. All right, let's give her a shot, turn these lights on. Okay, now our new lights here, you can see, looking great, super crystal clear. Looking awesome.
That's going to do it for our review and install of these Raxiom OEM style headlights with black housings and clear lenses for the 2007 to 2013 Tundra without the level adjuster. And for all things Tundra, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.